Welcome to myprojectbuzzer.com. Our title is Trust is Good, Control is Better, Creating Secure Clouds by Continuous Auditing. Our abstract: Cloud Service Certifications attempts to assure a high level of security and compliances. However, considering that cloud services are part of an ever-changing environment, multi-year validity period may put in a doubt of such certifications. We argue that continuous auditing of selected certifications criteria is required to assure continuous, reliable, and secure cloud services, and thereby increases trustworthiness of certifications. CA of cloud services is still in infancy. Thus, we conducted a thorough literature review and interview and continuous cloud services auditing. Our study shows that various criteria should be continuously audited, yet we revealed that most of existing methodologies are not applicable for third-party auditing purposes. Therefore, we propose a conceptual CA architectures and highlights important components and process that have to be implemented. Finally, we discuss benefits and intelligences that have to be tackled to diffuse the concepts of continuous cloud servicing auditing. We contribute to knowledge and practices by providing applicable internal and third-party auditing methodologies for auditors and provider link together in a conceptual architectural future in implementation of CA in a cloud service context, which link together in a conceptual architecture. For further on, we provide a groundings for future research to implement CA in a cloud services context, cloud empowering and them to achieve financial and technical benefits due to on-demand provisioning and pay-per-using pricing. However, organizations are still hesitant to adopt cloud services because of security, privacy, and reliability concerns regarding provisions cloud services, as well as doubt about trustworthiness of their cloud services provider. Cloud service certifications are a good mean to address these concerns by establishing trust and increasing transparency of the cloud market. Several CSC have evolved, such as CSC stars or Euro Cloud Stars audit. These CSC attempts to assure a high level of security, reliability, and legal compliances for a validity period of 1 to 3 years. However, cloud services are part of an ever-changing environment resulting from fast technology life cycles and inherent cloud computing characteristics like on-demanding provisioning and entangled supply chains. Hence, such long validity periods may put in doubt reliability of issued certifications. CAC criteria may no longer be met through these periods, for instances, due to configuration changes or many security incidents. Thus, continuous auditing of a criteria may be included in a continuous, reliable, and secure cloud services to be established in a trustworthy manner, so that CSC after initially certification process is accomplished. We address this gap of conceptualization and architecture for CA of cloud services, compromising main components, methods, and process while considering the requirements and need of main stakeholders. Before conceptualizing an architecture and thus defining how to perform CA, it has to be analyzed where CA is reasonably. Subsequently, we analyze which cloud service certification criteria should be continuously audited to assure ongoing adherence by cloud service auditors first. Then we evaluate how the criteria should be continuously audited to identify main auditing components and methodologies for our proposed architecture. Therefore, we built and extended previous work of on CA methodologies by lines at end. To ensure applicability of considered methodologies in a CC context, we conducted 3 experts interviews with cloud services. Finally, based upon these findings, we conceptualize an architecture to continually audit services in a practical and economical feasible manner. This is our project flow. In this, we will be having a user access and then cloud interfaces. first in a user access we will be providing a user authentication process and a user validation process. After performing this, we will be using we will be entering into a cloud interfaces. In this cloud interfaces we can able to provide a user with a file uploading and downloading concepts, and also we can able to make a user to read a file which is been get uploaded in our cloud interfaces. And then it will be providing a cloud service provider. Cloud service provider is a one who helps to provide a cloud service certifications and a continuous auditing process. It's a core of it's a core in our project to get cloud service certifications, so that we need to enter into a cloud service provider. In this cloud service provider, it will be creating a cloud service certifications, so that we can able to measure the security measure by using these certifications. For the certification we need a value for a measuring according to the basic criteria. In this criteria we will be establishing a continuous auditing method. In this continuous auditing method we will be carrying a various criteria in which our cloud will be get examined, and after that the trust and security certifications will be provided by the cloud service certifications. And I click the home button. This is a home page, just click on it, and login. I will just log in as an admin and login as a password admin. Login success. If I am not an authorized user, then I will be using a register here key, and here I can able to create a new user like this, me at gmail.com, and in password I will just give as a B, confirm password as a B, and I will be my receipt is 6 and my year is 3. I just creating the give as to create a successful. Okay, this is after this we can able to log that. Okay, and this we will be just having a selection pan in this cloud interface, cloud service certifications and continuous auditing. First I need to get into a cloud interface so that I can able to file upload or download or file processing or any kind of processing that cloud interface. In this I have a buttons like files, uploads, view files, opens, etc. In this I will just click a file for getting upload. In this I will upload a file cloud reference model.txt. Open. You will be getting your file name here and uploaded successfully. File has been getted uploaded. You can view this file in a view files cloud reference model. Okay, see you can able to view it in here cloud reference model. If I need to read this now, just open it and click on read. I can able to read the file cloud reference model. This is a cloud interface, and where we next we will be having a cloud service certification. Before getting into a cloud service certification, we need to audit our clouds so that we can able to get a result according to our auditing. For that auditing we will be using continuous auditing method. In this we will be getting into a continuous auditing. These are the criteria which we need to be get audited in our cloud interfaces. First I will be getting into a governance. In this organization strategy will be reviewed as per as the user, because this is important for us for the auditing methods to get organized the organization strategy methods. And then terms of conditions also we need to audit completely, so that we will be including terms of conditions. And then cloud monitors will be get automatically enters the user IDs and details which will be get which in the boxes, and where we will be able to see the user details as well as the user authentication. And this is a governance. After in this governance we will be getting into a data management. In this data management we will be checking the data flow. We will be checking the applications which have been processed in the past, so that we can able to get number of applications which have been processed in our interfaces. And this is we need to be checked for log files which is to be get created, so that we will be checking a data flow. Then tenant, we will be selecting a tenant, so that if a multi-tenant we need to be checked for multiple criteria, so that if it is a single tenant, just click as here, so that we no need to check in a multiple IP users, because it's a single tenant will be using in a single IP, so that we can able to check in a single IP itself. It's no problem at all. Then a CSP is a cloud service provider. We need to check the cloud service provider authentication, so that we can able to verify the information gathered by the CSPs. Then data recovery. The data recovery is important in data management, because if our data can't be recovered, it's able to tell us a result in a auditing that it's not able to recover your data, and your data is not secure. So that you can able to understand that your cloud provider is not able to recover your data, so that you need to shift over to your next clouds. So that if we have a data recovery options here, that's recover data. In this recover data, you can able to see a user's name which have been get recovered here already. Then this is data management. After this, we will be getting into cyber threat. Cyber threat is a main activity, so that we can able to check our securities and privacy over the networks during our file transferring. In this cyber threat auditing, check for the network. In this network, we can able to get a message like network preferred is apart from flaws and attackers, so that we can able to we can able to get into a point that our network and our storage is being in a so powerful manner. Then check user authentication. You can able to check our authentication properties, so that you can able to check the duplication users or a normal user. CSP security monitoring process will be getting a message into open web application security projects being followed by a CSP security monitoring process. Just click OK to it. Then logs and audits. Logs are nothing but the file which has been processed by our users have been getting into a log, so that we can able to check whether the log files are auditing or not. If I click in files, you can able to see that auditing in a process, because if log files are not audited, we can't able to get auditing result in accurate manner. Identity and access management. In this identity and access management, first we need to check the authentication of the user, because authentication of the user may turns into a threat which is being caused by the abnormal user to one normal user in an cloud interfaces. So that we need to check the we need to check the users which is being get as an admin, so that we can able to check the user authentication has been audited successfully. The message has been credited after checking the authentication process. Security measures. In the security measures, we will be getting a message of network security and physical securities. In SSO, we will be getting into a single sign-in, or it's been signed by any other user, and apart from your knowledge. In this encryption, we need to get into an encryption, because data should be get into a storage manner, so that we are getting into an encryption. In this key generation, I just give an admin name as an admin and password as admin, and it will be generating a key for me. By using this key, I can able to get my storage in an encrypted manner, so that my storage will be in a so private, no one can't be able to access. This is my storage. In this I have 3 files. It's so corrupt for me, so that it's no problem. We can able to test with another user also, AJ and AJ. Just click here. You can able to get no, you can't able to get a new key, so that we can able to create a privacy in this manner. Alright. Then in this cloud service certification, we will be able to getting the certification as the result generated by the auditing results. Certifications loading and service certificate. In the service certificate, we need to check the audit methods, where all the methods have been audited correctly or not. Governance are audited completely, and where results tends to be secure. Data management are audited and results tends to be secure. Cyber threat, same secure. It's also secure, and it's also secure, and encryption is also secure. Then we can able to get the CAC certification. In the CAC certification, just click on get. Cloud service certification created successfully. In this you can able to see all the secure, and in not secure it's nothing. Governance is secure, data management, cyber threats, logs and audit trails, encryption, etc. But if we need to get an insecure properties, the users will be getting into unvalidated users. Thank you.